The Nissan GT-R R35, referred to as Godzilla, may soon participate in its final race. Since 2009, a vehicle that has epitomized high-performance sports driving and represented unparalleled power and precision may be approaching the conclusion of its storied journey. Japanese reports indicate that Nissan may restrict GT-R R35 manufacturing to 1,500 units, implying that the 2025 model year could be the final iteration. Increasing rumors indicate the conclusion of an era for car enthusiasts, despite Nissan's lack of confirmation. For numerous enthusiasts, the announcement is both poignant and anticipated. The GT-R R35, equipped with a robust all-wheel drive system, has undergone numerous modifications. Notwithstanding enhancements, it continues to exhilarate drivers globally. Nissan's difficulties in procuring R35 components are allegedly compelling the company to halt production of this iconic vehicle. Sources indicate that the GT-R R35 may soon be cancelled, as Nissan dealers in Japan have been notified. The reports indicate that merely 1,500 units will be manufactured globally in 2025. This last batch will comprise 300 high-performance Nismo units, enhancing its allure. Enthusiasts and collectors will desire this exclusive collection, marking these final units as significant automotive history. The departure of such a distinctive automobile disheartens automotive enthusiasts around. For almost 10 years, the GT-R R35 has established the performance standard for sports vehicles in its category. Nissan representatives have neither confirmed nor denied the reports, leaving enthusiasts in anticipation of an official announcement. With anticipation increasing, the car industry awaits an announcement. The probable conclusion of the GT-R R35 signifies the termination of a generation of automotive fans' high-performance driving experiences. Regardless of whether Nissan discontinues the GT-R R35 in 2025 or continues its production, enthusiasts around will commemorate this remarkable sports car. The GT-R R35 is referred to as Godzilla because of its supremacy on roads and racetracks, attributed to its engineering, power, and legacy. This drama is developing, and one of the most emblematic vehicles in modern automotive history may be concluding.